In this video, we are going to learn for using letters to represent unknown value. So we have to write the expression in terms of x. So to represent 3 times. So 3 times the sum of a number, okay, the sum. The value of addition of a number is x plus 2. Or we can write as 3 bracket x plus 2, because we will do it the bracket first. Next, b, 6 times, so we can write it 6 times the difference between a number and 1, a minus 1, so or 6 times 1 minus a. We can write as like this, 6 a minus 1, or we can write it as 6 multiplied by 1 minus a, because the difference. Next, we got twice. So twice means double it. So multiply it with the sum of 11 plus a. Okay, we got it. Next, a number times the difference between 12 and 16. So a number is x. The difference between 12 minus 6 is gonna be x times 18. As remember, the rules is a number need to be written the first one. So 18x. Next, 4 add to 3 times the square of a number. So let's write it 4 add by 3 times square number. Next, a number squared add to 4 times the difference between 7 and 5. So a square number add to 4 times the difference, 7 minus 5. So it's gonna be x squared plus 4 times 2. So we can write x squared plus 8. Next, a number subtracted from, so here minus x, the result of 4 divided by 20. We can simplify it as 1 over 5 minus x. A number added to the result, so we can write it, if add, you can write it here, x plus 3 over 9. We can simplify it, x plus 1 over 3. We can write it a number first, 1 over 3 plus x, or we can write it as x plus 1 over 3. Next, the sum. So addition, the sum of 8 times 1 over 2 and a number multiplied by 3, so 3x. So we can write it as 4 plus 3x. The difference, so the difference is minus between a number multiplied by minus 5x, so it's minus 5x, and then 6 times minus 2, or we can write it minus 5, 6 plus 12. Or we can make it opposite, because this is the difference. We can write which one is first and the second. So 6 times minus 2, 6 times minus 2, minus by minus 5x. So it's gonna be minus 12 plus 5x. Two of them are correct. Number 2, okay, P years old. Sal. How old will Sal be in 5 years' time? So it's gonna be just P plus 5, because in 5 years' time. How old was Sal 4 years ago? It's gonna be minus 4 minus 4. Lee is 4 times. They mentioned it 4 times. Sal age. How old is Lee? Is 4 P, because we don't know what is P. Next, if they share the price equally, how much will each of them receive? Okay, the price is x dollar. So 4a is x divided by 3. If the price divided so that the first person gets half as much money as the second person and the third person. So this has to be divided. So first half is dollar times 1/2. So the first person will get x over $9. Half as much money as the second person. The third person gets 3 times as much as the second person. Okay, if this is a half, first person is a half. So for the second person, we multiply it by 2. X over 3 over 9, sorry, we multiply by 2. So the second person will get 2x over $9. The third person gets 3 times as much as the second person. So for the third person, so 2x over $9, we multiply it by 3. So this will give us the answer of 2x over 3 for the third person. Now is number 4. Write an expression in terms of x to represent the area of each rectangle. So this is 3, right? So 3, we multiply it by, this length is x plus 7. So x plus 7. Now is b, or we can expand it here. So it's gonna be 3x plus 21. Next is, okay, we got x and also x. So 2x, we can write it. 2x, we multiply it by 4 plus x. This will give us the answer of 8x plus 2x squared. Next, we got 3x. So this, here is 3x, we multiply it by, we got 6x. Okay, 6x. So 3x times 6x is gonna be 18x squared. The last 2. Okay, the side is 1, size 2 multiplied by 1/2 plus x, or this equal to 1 plus 2x. Okay, there it is. Thank you.